just give a few seconds of your time. Let me share with you something you might have been aware of but maybe neglecting it. Have you ever asked or wondered why the likes of eBay, Amazon, Alibaba, Konga, Jumia, Slots and the rest are kept growing? No, they are just leveraging on a principle called win-win. These are the same principles some people like you are also leveraging here in Lekki, most especially Lagos Island, by earning a yearly rent without owning a single property. No single property, but they are making money like the landlord just through a platform called real estate cashback.
Real estate cashback is a real estate trading product which allows individual or corporate bodies to invest or buy into a real estate development for the purpose of generating passive income. The profit ranges in percentage, usually for a short period of 6 to 24 months. Some company offers up to 40% in 12 months.
For instance, 40% of 100,000 is 40,000. Therefore, if you divide this 40% by 12, then that is 3,333. That means per 100,000, they will give you 3,333 in a month. Multiply this 3,333 naira in a month by 12. That's when you are going to get 40,000 naira. So, is it not something very feasible? Yes, it's very, very feasible and 100% feasible. Therefore, if you are bringing in, for instance, 300,000, you're going to get 120,000. Bringing in 500, they are going to get nothing less than 200,000. And if you are bringing a million, now you are getting 400,000. If you are bringing 5 million, you are getting 2 million. If you are bringing 10 million, you are getting 4 million plus. All this interest plus your capital, just in 12 more. For you to learn more and also how to detect the brand that actually giving the value and they will not mess up with your money, kindly click on the link below so you can also earn yearly rent like landlords while sleeping. Should I sleep? No, but join the other side so you can get to hear and learn better. Thank you.